Meaning of disfavor.
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 Disfavor. Disfavor refers to a negative opinion or attitude towards someone or something. It can also indicate a lack of support. When someone is in disfavor, they may be excluded from certain opportunities or privileges. They may encounter resistance or hostility from others. In a professional setting, disfavor can lead to missed promotions or job opportunities. In personal relationships, it can result in strained interactions and even social isolation. Overall, being in disfavor can have significant consequences for one's well-being and success.